This video is for the B-flat minor chord, arpeggio. B-flat minor has 5 flats. It's the relative minor to D-flat major, which has 5 flats. Or it could be 7 sharps. You could consider it an A-sharp minor, or the same notes on the keyboard. So I'm going to call it the 5 flats because that's dealers. Okay. So we're dealing with B-flat minor, and the notes are B-flat, D-flat, and F. And the thumb is going to play the white key. So we're going to do that. So in the right hand, 4th finger on the D-flat. Some people would use 3rd, I prefer 4th. That's what I was taught, that's what I do. And then in the left hand we use 3rd. Here. We're starting on the B-flat, so we're starting on index or middle and index finger. Here. So down here. The 3rd finger. Here. So do the tremolo exercise 1 and 2 octaves again to drill this spacing, these positions into your muscle memory. It will help a great deal. Just really, really slow. Accent every note. Drop the wrist. And then 2 octaves. So, then do the actual arpeggio 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, the whole 9 yards. And you can start it says here, come down here. It's below middle C. Here. One note. So contrary and parallel in the whole pattern as everything else. Then do the inversions. Same fingering as you're using. So you start here. First inversion. Do the whole pattern again at first. Contrary and parallel. And then second version is a white key. So since the thumb is playing it, you can use the little finger as a turnaround finger or starting finger. The whole bit, the whole 9 yards. So do the whole pattern on that also. And again, keep the metronome set on 50. Don't be increasing the metronome up on these keys. The metronome you would increase just a little bit at a time over years. You know, so maybe after you've been through all the key signatures 2 or 3 times, you might take the metronome up a spot or 2 or 3. Just very little. And then you go through it all again. So, and all the years I've been doing it, I've only taken the metronome up to around 70 something. It's never gotten very high. And I started below 50. I started in the 40s in college. He made me start pretty much at the lowest setting the metronome had at the time. And that's what I started at. But I think 50 is slow enough. You can do that.